Ito lalabas yung hangin. Suction, guys. Hello Mimikos, this is Will. Welcome back to another video. In today's video guys, mag-unbox ulit tayo. So I have the item. Let's do the unboxing. Maliit lang siya talaga. So the highest 8. Ayan. Yung binili ko is the Eufy by Anker Home Vac H11 Pure. Nabili ko lang siya for 2,200 pesos. Kasama na yung shipping. The reason na binili ko siya is because sa stairs namin. Kasi we have second floor sa apartment namin na narentahan. Kailangan siyang linisan. And also for my computer set and then for my desk. Very handy daw siya. Meron kasi kami ditong vacuum na kailangan isaksak. This is a 1.3 lbs or 600 grams na compact design and then super strong 5500 PA suction. And then it has 03 purification. You can clean the keyboard sa loob ng drawer niyo. Ayan, this is how you put it, guys. And then washable naman siya, guys. For pets. Ideal for everyday mess. Freshen up every nook and cranny covered. Yung kasama sa box guys is Homovac H11 Pure. And then the 2-in-1 crevice tool. And then the USB to micro USB cable. Inside the box we have the instructions. Core D-type to micro C-type. Mag-focus ka doon. Then pwede mo siyang kukuha dito. Ayan. Ito na yung item. Wala nang laman guys. For my expression guys, very handy talaga siya. Ayan, magagamit mo siya. Parang base, ganon. Ito yung air puri something. Air puri something. Yung air purification, yan lalagay mo yung ganyan. Ma-purify yung area, yung kung saan mo siya ilalagay. Here's the switch, and then the O3. Yung O3 guys, ito guys. Ayan. Where you open it. Ayun, lagyan lang talaga siya guys. Then you put it back and magcha-charge tayo dito sa likod. Ayun, dito natin isa-charge. Pwede natin to ilalagay dito. Ayan. Para sa mga area na sikip, and then we can put it like this one. This is for the keyboard. And then you have two option guys. Pa hindi mo na siya kunin, ilalagay mo na lang sa likod. And then when you clean this up, you need to twist this one. Ito yung area na papasukan ng mga dirt. And then ito yung filter. Yan. Pwede tayo bibili nito individually sa Eufy na store nila. So ilalagay mo lang talaga siya. Ayan. And then you put it back there. Yan. Then you twist. Ayan. Tumunog. Let's try to turn it on. Pwede ba? May parang ano. Ito yung ano niya. Yung parang ayan. Ito lalabas yung hangin. Suction guys. Para pwede dito sa mga pwede sa buhol-buhol guys. At pwede din sa aso. Stitch! Come here! Stitch! Baka na natin sa aso. Ayan. Pwede sa aso, babe. And then, let's try the O3. So, may extraction dito, guys. Press O3 twice to start ozone purification. The ozone purification function should be used in a sealed space without human being or livestock. So, ilalagay natin siya, guys, sa area na wala talagang tao. Kasi parang sterilizer siya. So, worth it talaga siya, guys. And then, it has a purification. Ayan. So, para ma-purification, umalis ka dito sa kwarto mo, before ka umalis, is i-on mo yung then alis ka na to purify your world, you know. Sana all walang problema. Oo, walang utang. So yan guys, thank you guys for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account. And I hope you like the video, and see you in my next vlog. Adios mi amigos.
Got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.